Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix dev error 5820 in Call of Duty Mw3 and Warzone. First thing that you can do is check Mw3's server status. So when you encounter error pop-ups, you should check the Mw3 server status. This will show you whether other players are facing the same issue or not. If there is no green lights, then it definitely means that there is a server downtime and you have to wait for some time. Another simple step that you can do is restart Mw3 game. If this doesn't work, you can try our next step. Try switching hosts in the private match. If a player is playing a private match with another player, then you should give a privilege to the hosting and allow them to start the match. Doing this will help to troubleshoot the error. Next is turn off on-demand texture streaming. First, go to Settings option in the game. Now choose Graphics. Go to Quality tab, find Details and Textures. Finally, look for On-Demand Texture Streaming option and turn it off. Next, you can do is disable in-game overlays. For Steam users, launch the stream, then go to its settings, in-game, then here toggle off enable the Steam overlay while in-game, and that's it. While for Discord overlays, simply go to user settings, game overlay tab, then switch off enable in game overlay option. While for GeForce Experience, go to GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, then click on General, then switch off in-game overlay options. Another thing you can do is verify integrity of game files. First, launch Steam Client, then tap on Library, right tap on Mw3, now choose Properties, go to Local Files option, here choose Verify Integrity of Game Files option, and once done, wait for the process and then check the issue. Next step is you can change your calling card or emblem. First, launch Modern Warfare 3 or Mw3, then go to Customize. Now choose calling card box, then choose any other card apart from already equipped. Here, go to emblem box via Customize tab, then change emblem from here. Another step is switch private match settings. Many users have reported about changing the private match settings has worked to fix the issue. So here, players have to reduce the bots number in lobby and switching the map and the mode as well. And lastly, you can submit the ticket to Activision. When everything fails, then it's time to take help from support team. You should contact Activision support by submitting a ticket. They will further check the issue and will try to resolve it. Just open Mw3 support page and follow the instructions and then send a report. Hopefully one of these steps work. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.